When we take a z-score or we standardize our data, we are making two transitions. The first thing that we're doing is we are subtracting the mean of our original data set from every value in that data set. And then once we've done that, next we divide all the new values by the standard deviation of either of those two data sets. They're always going to be one and the same. And in so doing, we will have created a z-score. What is a z-score? It's the number of standard deviations above or below the mean that a particular data point lives. If you come up with a z-score of 1.25, what that's saying is that your particular data point lives 1.25 standard deviations above the mean. If you get a z-score that's negative 0.66, that's saying that this particular data point lives 0.66 standard deviations below the mean. That's the interpretation every time for a z-score. So now you know how to create z-scores, and you might be asking a very good question right now. Do I have to do this like column by column approach every single time I want to calculate a z-score, either for an individual value or for an entire set of values? And the good news is no, you don't. We did this for you as an educational exercise so you could see step by step the transformations taking place. And all you're looking to do is quickly calculate a z-score for yourself or a set of z-scores for yourself. No problem at all. You're going to enter in equals standardize. And then it says, well, what do you want me to standardize? You say, oh, I want to standardize this data value right here. And then it asks, well, what is the mean value? Well, for our table, that is $B, $2. And then, well, what about the standard deviation of the data set? For our table, that's $B, $3. And as soon as we enter that, we get the standardized value. Google Sheets asks if we want to go all the way down the column. In this case, sure, why not? And what you can see is that the long approach is over here in column E, the shortcut is in column F, and in each and every case, they match up. We're all about saving you time just so long as you understand what's actually taking place.